Warm up to your cash. Like you companion new individuals on Facebook and other interpersonal interaction scenes. Intentionally welcome cash into your life, world and undertakings. Consider cash a vitality framework with emotions. We have to regard its emotions. Welcome your cash to plunk down, have some tea, and converse with you. Give your cash a chance to share what is on its motivation for you. Enlighten your cash concerning your deepest desires. Discussion about your arrangements. Talk about your vision of what is for your most elevated grade as far as how you need to carry on with your life. Paint photos of your objectives. Think greater. Help cash see what you intend to do with it. Welcome more cash into your life so as to accomplish your objectives. Offer how you are regarding the progression of cash to you. You're never again easygoing with cash, and you realize that cash won't be easygoing with you. It appears on schedule. Much the same as you do. Never again are you driven by the longing or motivation to dispose of cash when you get it. You never again spend just for spending. You discovered better types of stimulation. You've found the excellence of building your reserve funds and venture accounts. You support the demonstration of sparing now for future speculation. You contribute now for future solace and a higher caliber of living as you get more established. You merit the cash you have, you draw in inexhaustibly and enable it to remain. Your association with cash is agreeable and pleasant in light of the fact that finally you chose to profit your companion. What an incredible move in your mentality. You let go of the pressure of feeling disgraceful, undeserving, and not having enough.